Figma variables can save you time and help maintain consistency in your design projects. They work by storing values such as colors, text size, spacing, and more that can be reused throughout your design. With variables, you can easily change these values across your entire design. To access variables, press Escape and click on Local Variables, then go to the sidebar. Collections group variables together. Make collections by selecting Create Collection, and inside you can make variables with Create Variable. Base variables, often called primitives, are the basics like colors and sizes. These form the design's base layer. If we want to create a new color scheme, for instance, you can set it up by defining values for all the specific elements in the design, such as text color and block color. To do this quickly, and to make sure that changes to your primitives will reflect consistently across your design, create aliases for these values, linking them to the primitives. By using aliases, the changes you make to your primitive values are linked and reflected. For sizes, you can make a collection with number values like small, medium, and large. Again, create aliases to link them to your primitives. Using one collection will combine all the variables, but multiple collections give more freedom, as we can use each one separately. Now let's use variables in designs. In this example, we will be designing this calendar. I can simply link all elements to their desired colors or size values. To change a color, modify it in the Primitives section. This change will be reflected throughout the design. Similar to colors, link values like dimensions, corner radius, and text to variables in different collections, and maintain consistent design across the board. And there you have it, the basics of Figma variables. So go ahead and start using variables in your Figma projects. This product demo was created with Castofly, a cloud-based web platform that allows you to record, refine, and publish product demo videos with ease.